Everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the computer-aided drafting laboratory experiment number 4. In this experiment, we will draw the front view and the top view of simple solids like a prism, pyramid, cylinder, cone with a suitable dimensioning. Okay, now we go to AutoCAD software. We are using AutoCAD 2024 version. So in this case, we have to draw the different solids like prism, pyramid, cylinder, cone, and its dimension. And also we have to draw the front and top view of the prism, cylinder, pyramid, and the cone. Okay. Already we discussed how to set the limits unit zoom. After we set the limit unit set, we have to draw the diagram. In this case, we have to use various commands like line, line, circle, copy, move, dimension, linear, trim, offset. Okay, this type of commands we have to use to complete the diagram. First, we going to draw the cone. So in this cone, in this type, first we have to select circle. Here we use radius 30 mm circle. So we select the circle and then we go and take click radius circle. Okay, in this case we select center radius. So in this case we select the center point and then give the radius value 30. Then give enter. After that, before that we have to draw one reference line. In this case, I take a reference line from this point to this point and type enter. Next, we have to draw the reference line. The height of the cone is 80 mm. So in this case, we have to draw the center line. And now we set the all snap settings. Okay, in this case, we go to snap settings and then we click okay. Next we go to object snap, select all the points, then click OK. Now we go to click line, then we draw the line through the center point. Okay, through the center point we have to draw height of the cone. Height of the cone is 80 mm, so we have to draw the upward direction line and give 80, then click enter. That's all. Now we draw the 80 mm line. Next we have to draw the uh, side distance. In this case, for reference, we have to draw the line from the circle end of the circle. We have to draw the one reference line. Same way we have to draw the another side. Uh, Maybe we have to draw the another side. Then click enter. Now we have to go to line command. Now we join this point to center of the apex point of the cone, then click OK. Next we have to go to line command and type this point to apex point of the cone. Click that point and then type enter. The front view and the top view of the cone we completed. Next we have to draw the baseline of the cone. In this case we draw the baseline. Okay. That's all. Now we complete the so in this case, the center line we don't need, so we have to delete, and then we don't need the side baseline, so we have to delete this line. Okay, now we complete. This is a top, this is a front view of the cone. Next, we have to draw the hexagonal pyramid. So in this case, we select polygon. So hexagon means we use this side six sides. Next, specify the center line of the polygon. So in this case, we select rough. Here I select the point. I give the inside. Here I give the base side of the hexagon means I provide 30. I need 30 mm base side of the hexagon. So I give 30 mm. Then click enter. Now the hexagon shape was came like this. So now we have to rotate the hexagon. So in this case, we select the hexagon and then we go to rotate point. specify the point. I click center and then rotate the. In this case, we off the O snap. Okay, now we rotate in like this. Rotate in this case, we center line means that it's come like this. Okay, now we rotate the hexagon in both two base edges perpendicular to VP. In this case, we rotated. Next, we have to draw the uh, front view of the hexagon. In this case, we refer the center line of the hexagon. So this is a center line. From this axis, we have from this line of axis we use this point to height of the hexagon. We use 80 mm. Height of the pyramid, hexagonal pyramid. Okay, 80 mm. Then click enter. Next, we use the baselines. For that purpose, we draw the line command from this point to on the reference line we have to draw and then click enter. Same way we got to draw the another side. In this case we click this point and then go to the reference line and type enter. In this case we have to draw the front views. The outside edges are we have to draw. Now click the line command from the base to top of the apex of the pyramid we click. The same way we have to draw the another side. We click this point from this point to go to the apex point. Okay, next we have to draw the baseline from this base side to this side we have to draw. Okay. Now we have to this line, this center line, we delete it. Okay. Now we use delete these two baselines. Okay. Okay, now we complete the front and top views of hexagonal pyramid. This is a top view of hexagonal pyramid. Okay, for hexagonal pyramid means we have to draw the, in this case, the reference line will be there. In this case, this longer edge will be shown in figure. So here we have to draw the front view. In this case, we go to O snap. Snap settings, go to object snap, select all the commands, click OK. Now click line, click the center point of the object. Here this is center point. So we have to draw from the center point. We have to draw the slant edges. In pyramid, the slant edges will be shown. So we have to draw. Okay, then click enter. Next we have to go to line command. The center to this side will show. So click the line command from the center point to draw this point. So in this case, we have to draw the ortho. We have to off the ortho command. Next, we go to line command from this point to this point. Click. Next, we have to draw the line command. The center point to base point. We have to draw base point line. These all are the slant edges. The top view of the slant edges. Now we are drawing. So final slant edge here. That's all. Now we have to erase the helping line. Delete it. Okay. This is the top view of the cone. Top view of the cone. This is the front view of the cone. This is the top view of the hexagonal pyramid. This is the front view of the hexagonal pyramid. Okay. Here the line click on the point. Okay. Now we have to select and move to this point. Same way we have to check. Okay. From the front view we have to check it. Okay, from the front view we have to check it. The height of the pyramid how to in 80 mm. So just check the dimension value from the base point top to bottom. So this is 71. So we have to we need 80 mm. So in this case we have to draw the 80 mm line. So this is this line. Already we draw 80 mm, but the line starting point started from. So we have to move this line, and also we have to draw the next point. Same way we have to apex in this case. Okay, here all the points are joined correctly. The lines are connected correctly. Now which the height of the pyramid. In this case, this is the top bar of base to top. No, no, you have to click perfectly the base point from this point to um, top of the point. Okay. Now the height of the cone is height of the pyramid is mm. Now the height of the cone from the base to this point. Okay, we have to correct from the base this point to this point. For this purpose, we have to on the line. Now the height of the cone is 80 mm. We measure. Okay. Next, radius of the cone. So in this case, we go to dimension. Here we give radius. Now select the circle. The radius of the circle is 30. Okay. Now we measure this side, base side of the hexagon. In this case, we are going to measure. Click align the command. So we have to measure uh, this point to this point. So we move side of the hexagon. Okay. Next, we have to draw the cylinder. Okay. Cylinder. In this case, we have to draw the cylinder for 30 mm radius. Also, we have to draw. In this case, we select the circle here. Now we have to copy the circle. So copy from this point to I want to paste here. I want to paste here. Next, we have to draw the set. Sorry, circle. Control C, Control V. From the point, copy from this point to Control V. Now copy the circle. Now for reference purpose, you have to draw the line and then select the circle and move in character center line. Then we have to delete this reference line. Now we have to draw the cylinder. Now we complete the top view of the cylinder. Next we go to draw the reference line on border, and also we have to draw the another reference line to draw the. For straight line purpose we are using this line. Now we go to draw the line in 80 mm. Height of the cylinder in 80 mm means we have to draw this point. Height of the line, we give 80, enter. Next the base side, the diameter of the circle 30, so the base distance also 30. Next view the line radius 30 means diameter 60. Give the base distance diameter of the 60. Then we click, then we have to change the direction of the circle, change the direction of the line, then we have to click the base line, and also we click in another end. We have to click in another end. Now we complete the cylinder. Now we have to delete the helping lines. thin lines we have to delete. In this case, we complete the top view of the cylinder, cylinder. Now we do the dimension, the radius of the circle. We click radius 30. Next, we have to measure height of the cylinder, from this point to this point 80 mm. Okay, now we complete the top and front view of the cylinder. Next, we have to draw the hexagonal prism. Hexagonal prism, front and top view of hexagonal prism we have to draw. In this case, we have to extend the line. Okay, now extend the line. Okay, the same way we have to draw the hexagon. Hexagon size 30 mm. Now we go to polygon. Okay, at the same time we use this hexagon. Okay, already we draw the hexagon. We select and then go to copy, make copy, click the center point, and then control V, center, no. We select the hexagon, control C, control, control V, and select here, select and move the hexagon on this place. Now we draw the reference line. So in this case, I draw the reference line from the center point. From the center point, we draw the reference line. So now we move the center line of the hexagon. Okay, in this case we move command. Select the center of the hexagon from this point to this point. Okay. Now we move the hexagon. Now all the solid center are in same line. So now delete the reference line. Okay. Now from this point to this point. Okay. Now we draw the hexagonal prism. The top of the hexagon. The base side is 30 mm, means we measure the line. We measure this line from this point to this point. This is the 30 mm side of the hexagon. Next, we have to draw the front view of the hexagon, and we draw the reference line from this point. From this point to draw the reference line. It's the same way we have to follow. In this case, we use mirror also. Okay, just select this line and take mirror. I take the mirror from the center point to this. Okay, same way we have to draw the mirror, and then we have to draw the line command from this point to top. The height of the prism is 80, means we give 80 mm, and the base side of the prism is um, okay. We have to draw the in this case we have to draw the line. Here we give the distance 30 mm, uh, 30 mm. Same way. Okay, the base side only 30. In this case, use left side also we have to take the mirror point. In this case, we use line command. From this point to height of the prism is 80. So use the dimension 80. Then click enter. Now we go to line command. Now we join top of the prism. This point to this point. Okay, this point to this point. Click enter. The same way we have to draw the line in base of the prism. So base point from this point to this point. Okay. Now we have to draw the center and the longer edges of prism. This longer edge will be visible. So in this case, we have to draw the line from this point, this rough point, from this point to top of the prism. Top of the prism. Click here, then type enter. Now we complete the front and top views of the prism. Okay, now we complete the front and top view of the prism. We completed in this case. We click the line. We have to draw the line from this point. And select this. Finally, we have to check all the lines are in correct. Finally, we have to check. Okay, now we are going to measure the height of the prism, dimension of the prism. This is a 18. Okay, this is a procedure to draw the top and front of hexagonal pyramid cylinder hexagonal prism. Next, we have to give the name. In this case, we go to multi-text. We select text. Here, click here. This is called the solid name is we give here we have to click then we have to type the value. We have to type here. Okay, this solid is called multi-text line. Okay, now we then we go to text. Click here. We move the cursor. Click another point. This is called ceiling cone. So we give cone. This is cone. That's all. We select the text and then give the value. I give font size 10. Enter. After I click in outside font size like this. And we have to move the cone. Okay, from this side we have to move. This is called cone. The same way we have to give the name hexagonal pyramid cylinder prism. So just I copy the text and paste here. I will paste here. Now I wanna edit. Just say double click the text and now we have to edit. This is a pyramid. This is a hexagonal pyramid. Okay, hexagonal pyramid. Okay, that's all. Next we copy this text. Control C, then Control V. Uh, here we paste and then we have to double click the text. Select the text. This is a cylinder. We have to change. This is cylinder. Okay, now we just move the text. Okay. Next we have to do the external pyramid. Control C, Control V. Now we paste here. This is a hexagonal prism. This is hexagonal prism. So we have to edit it. Okay, that's all. Now we complete the diagram. Now we added top views of cone, front views of the cone. We draw the top and front views of cone, hexagonal pyramid, cylinder, hexagonal prism. So finally mention all the dimensions are in mm. In the case also copy the hexagonal prism, we paste it here. Now we mention all the dimensions are in mm. In this case we select edit the text all the dimensions, all the dimensions are in mm. Okay, that's all. Okay, this is experiment number 4. We complete the top and front views of the different solids like a cone, hexagonal pyramid, cylinder, hexagonal prism. We complete the front and top views and also measure its dimensions. Finally, we have to mention all the dimensions are in mm. That's all, students. Thank you. We will discuss the next experiment in next class. Thank you. Thank you so much. If any doubt means you ask your doubt in comment box. Thank you.